Okay. Okay, hold the boat.
Okay.
I actually forgot your name.
Aaron.
Bill. Really got to save my ladder, the part that you're holding on to right now. Remember that from putting the engine in? You're like, yeah, just turn the bump. You guys go
Okay,
there.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Go ahead, just cable up. Take a little weight. Let's see if we get it centered up. Okay, hold it.
I should hold it.
Okay, go ahead, cable up. Just watch your legs.
Yeah, as soon as I get where I can grab it, I'll get my legs out of the way.
Okay, hold on for a sec.
All right, now spin it.
Okay, you guys head. Cable up. Now just watch that corner on the jill cut there. It'll be fine.
Oh, look at that rusty old
Oh, what a,
Yeah, Jose,
what a
can you hand me a
shame.
little rope?
Uh,
Or that rope or something?
that's a no-brainer, Bill. Let's look at that thing.
You know what the crazy is? It didn't look like this when he bought the bow.
Huh.
It didn't?
No, because he did. I don't think he had the leak. I think your
Yeah.
what you call it was still working.
The bilge pump.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Okay.
I'm glad the same
Go
thing
forward.
didn't happen to the Seakeeper. Jesus.
Yeah. Well, that's set a bit higher, so that
There's
saves you.
a lot of shit to go wrong in a year and a half.
It's just you gotta sacrifice a chicken on the bow or something.
Oh, that's what I forgot to do. Damn it.
Just,
All right, just run up. We'll put it down and we'll hook up the other one.
There she
Freaking
is.
cool. New and bright and shiny.
It is. It's beautiful.
It's like a new penny.
Hey, Nick.
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa! Swanging around there.
Swinging the winging.
Recording me, is it? They're gonna
Yeah, it
erase
is. I can edit that out. Don't worry.
It's all right. I don't care.
Lay the wood out. I mean, you can always lay it on top of those if it doesn't sit good on top of it. This is gonna be a cool thing. Just like that. Yeah. No. You gotta look this way. That's beautiful. No. You have the right way, but you have them too close together.
I guess when I see stuff like this, I didn't want to spending the money if it's for something worthwhile.
So yeah, look, the gen's gonna sit lengthwise on top of that, like this. So move this one up that way a little more, and then the other one.
So would that send
one's
you
right
back?
where it's at. Now move this one towards the middle.
14.
No. What do you got? Okay.
Which they go from
So I
like
want like this
anywhere
and like this.
14 to 16 high.
But you got to remember, it's only 26 wide, so
Okay.
that far one needs to go in a little bit. Move that one in a little.
stop.
Honesty.
That should, yeah, that should. Okay, stop. We'll set it right on top of all that. Here, up out of there. If we have to, if it won't sit here that good.
All right, let's go ahead and go it down a little bit. Good. Okay, pull the boat back slowly.
Back is slow. Para atrás, despacio. If it doesn't sit on here good, I'm just gonna slam it down into that hole.
Okay.
But if it'll sit there and I can, but it might make it hard for you guys to get to
Hey,
this.
hold it.
Maybe I will just go ahead and put it on that, those 2x4s for now. That'd be nice. All right, go ahead. We'll do that.
Okay.
On those 2x4s, because we can
Let's
easily
go ahead and cable it down.
with the A-frame when we come back.
Okay.
But they gotta get to that bilge pump. Right.
Hold it.
You gotta go up a little bit. See, you gotta push that. Have to twist it to go. No, it won't do it that way. Hold on. Let me try this.
I'll just try to show it off the corner there. There you go.
Okay, go ahead and go down a little bit.
Cable down. Okay, hold it.
I should be able
You
to.
got most of the weight on it right now.
let me see if I
If
can-
you, I'm just worried about the ball hitting the.
Yeah, go ahead and
fiberglass.
go down a little bit. We'll take
Cable
the weight
down.
off. I'll pull the ball away.
Okay. Cable up.
Hold,
Hold on. Sorry.
It'd be easier to disconnect this chain. Put a straight cable.
No, if we're gonna do it, we just do a strap. Strap and rub on it. But I think
All right.
small enough. Cable
Yeah.
up.
I can wiggle this.